Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from the Binance app to your bank account. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of assets. Simply tap on it. Then here you can find the option of withdraw. Simply tap on it. After tapping on it, here you can find the P2P trading, which includes the bank transfer. Now simply tap on it. One thing to remember, you need to have two verifications for the bank transfer, which is the KYC and the SMS. Now complete both of these and only after that you can do the bank transfer. For now you can see I don't have the verification of the SMS, so I can't be able to do it, but I will show you how to do it. After that, here we can find the three dot lines right here. Then here you can find the option of payment methods. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the add a new payment method. Now tap on it. And after tapping on it, you will see the payment methods, which will include the bank transfer. And that's it. This is how you can transfer your money from your Binance to the bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.